What's good, guys? It's your boy, Benny Easy, aka Benny Mannequin, coming to you live from home. Today, we're going to be going, when I say we, I and my sister, we're going on a trip to, guess where? Guess the place that has overtaken Nigeria in football, like as per rep, in the past few years. Guess the next place, well, what else can I say? They have the largest waterfall in Africa. What else? What else can I say? So right now we're waiting for our train. Our train is at 9. Currently the time is 8:48. So we have a couple of minutes before our train gets here. But anyways, guys, get ready. Let's travel to... I said I wasn't going to tell you guys. You're not slick. You're not slick. So guys, we're currently on the train to the Manchester airport. So I've traveled from Hull to Manchester. I need to go from Manchester train station to Manchester airport, which is the train I'm on right now. So guys, it's an early morning journey, so the boy is very tired.
I'm tired. This human being said got to buy gum. When our train was 11:28. I think he thought the platform was like just a sneeze away. That's yes, right. I know. Actually, I did. I thought so, but I was like, oh, it's actually a walk away. But yeah, we made it. It's not like there's no other train. There's another train, but I need to go to airport. I'm like an airport dad. Going to airport, sit down and eat.
So guys, we're finally through security. I feel like this was just like secondary school over again. We had to, so the whole liquid, apparently you only allowed one plastic bag per liquid. I don't know how these people bath. Like take their bath, I don't know how they do it. I don't know how they have deodorant, because you just need one. For me, I need hair product, I need face product, I need deodorant product, and they're telling me only one. Well, anyways, guys, that's behind us right now. We're heading to the lounge to chill out because we need to get food and we need to get settled down before we jet off. Our flight is in like an hour plus or something like that. But yeah, how you feeling?
I'm tired. I'm tired.
But yeah, guys, see you guys in a little bit. Let's find the lounge. Lounge is full. We're currently in a queue, let me show you guys. And they said the queue is going to be till like 2. And honestly, it's not worth it. It's not worth it. Just because you want to be priority pass, no, it's not worth it. So we're currently getting food from this place called Jara. Guys, I just realized that I didn't have my mic on when I was talking to you guys, but it's okay. We're trying out this new thing where I'm trying to have my sound as clear as possible, because I feel like quality-wise, we've got that. But with this 2024, we're going to up our sound. Anyways, like I said, we're here to eat. We just ordered food. Feeling breakfast. It's lunchtime right now, but let's just call it brunch. But so guys, you guys still don't. I hope by this time you guys can guess where we're going, or you guys can at least comment down below where you think we're going. It's a breakfast for kings, ladies and gentlemen. I don't like tomatoes though, so that's gotta go. You take tomatoes.
Tomatoes?
Yeah.
Yes. The bush.
Take it. Say what?
The bush. I can't say it's Amigo. Yes, I don't know his name. I'm Amigo.
Well, you're not about Amigo anymore. You know? Ambi, why are you running? Yeah, well, we still have time. My watch is wrong. I don't know why I flashed my watch to you guys. Almost immediately, you believe what happened to me. So basically my AirPods dropped on the side of the seat. And you won't believe there's a hole in the plane. EasyJet, you guys have to do better. There's literally a hole in the plane. Trust me, this is one of them stories that if I told people, and even when I told people at work, they didn't believe me. Right now, guys, you can see where that blimp is. Yeah, those are my AirPods in the middle of the sea, in between France and Spain. How can my AirPods make it there before me? Amazing. So guys, we're just about landing in Marrakech. How you feeling?
Tired. And I'm thinking of the airports. I'm like, where is it? Where did it go?
Guys, this flight has been hectic. I lost my AirPods for some reason. I feel like I dropped it here. But you know what? You know those things when you drop something in one place and you feel like it has just gone anywhere. So I'm hoping I still find it, because honestly, this will be the second time I'm having issues with my AirPods. The first time. Anyways, guys, we are just about above Casablanca. Sadly, I won't be giving you guys any drone shots. Oh wait, did I just tell you guys where we're going? We definitely lost my AirPods. Second time we're doing this, guys. This is. I mean, I have it. Thank you. Has my one AirPod fallen through the exit into the water? My AirPods have made it to Spain before me. We're in our destination. We're just about to go get her checked-in luggage. My sister's checked-in luggage, and still processing my loss, to be honest. Where's the entrance? Like, what is this here? Exactly. Yeah, ask before you.
Just push. You ask. You want to be forward, you ask. That's what polite people do.
Yeah.
You're ruffian, you say so.
People out here just want to be crazy. This guy's try to cut in between. When we've been on this line, you guys have seen how crazy the line is, but people still want to act crazy.
Yeah.
But
exactly.
They literally want to.
They don't know. They don't know.
They don't know that when they go low, we go lower.
Leave them in Madrid. Leave them in Madrid.
Oh my god. These people want to. Look at what they want to do. See what they want to do now. They want to cut.
As long as you're not staying directly in front of us, if you want to jump, you can jump that way.
Yeah.
Don't come in front of us. I'm fine. If you can jump that way, that's fine. But don't come in front of us. No, you're free. You're
No,
free
you
to
can
jump.
do what you want.
As long as
do
you're
what
not
you want,
standing
mate.
in front of
You
me,
can
that's
just
fine.
cut.
Jump
cut.
others, not me.
Yeah. I know. Go. You can just cut. That's what you just did. You just
cut that way.
this way. Just keep going. Keep cutting. Just keep cutting that way. Keep cutting that way. You might as well just go to the front. You might as well just go to the front. You might as well just go to the front and just like, you might as well just go to the front. Well, I wasn't even talking to you.
No, because I heard like what you're saying.
Then where did you come from? I didn't talk to you. So where are you coming from?
From the sky, I just like jumped.
Then I wasn't talking to you. I wasn't talking to you. So you mind your business, and then I'll.
I'm talking to you. So
Well, I don't want to talk to you. So mind your business, mate. Then keep quiet. Don't talk to me. Thank you. Have a good day.
In front of me.
Yeah.
They can go that way. I don't want stupid people in front of me.
We are here at the Riyadh. I'll give you guys a proper tour tomorrow, but you guys see how it looks. It's really nice. Abby.
Awesome.
Just tired. But yeah, guys, it's actually very cold in Marrakech. I didn't expect it to be this cold. But anyways, should I end the vlog now for day one? I think I've given you guys enough today. Today was hectic, as you guys have seen. But day one in Marrakech, well, not even day one, day half, because this is the arrival. So day one tomorrow, we're gonna be up early to go hiking. So make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, and we catch up.